A very good morning to all of you. So in this session, we'll be doing the exercise number 1.1 of sets, where we have completed till question number 3. From question number 4, we'll be starting today. So let's see what is there in question number 4. You have been told that write the following sets in the builder form. Write the following sets in the builder form. What does it means? That the sums will be given in the roster form and you have to write the answers in the builder form. So the first question here is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So if you carefully see these numbers, you can say that yes sir, it is an odd number. But odd number is only till 30. So how to write this roster number, the numbers which are in roster form in the form of builder form? So see how to write it. X is to x is an odd number less than 14. So as simple as that you can write this. X is an odd number less than 14. So less than 14, all the odd numbers were there, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So simply you can write it in this form. What about subpart 2? What is there in subpart 2? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, right? So how to write this one in set builder form? Clearly it is seen that 2, 4, 6, 8 are what, students? These are all even numbers. So we'll write the same thing. X is to x is an even numbers. Is an even numbers. So what does it means? That all even numbers, because I have not written any limit less than this, more than this. So here also we were seeing that it was going till infinity. So writing only even numbers with no less than more than means that all set of even numbers existing in this universe from 2 till infinity. So that is why I have written only x is an even numbers. And here also we can see the number of even numbers starting from 2, 4 is going till infinity. So we'll write simply in this form, x is an even numbers. What about number 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This is the question, right? So how to write this? First of all, x is to x is equals to, these are what? These are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. It is clearly seen that these are multiples of 3. These are multiples of 3. So what we'll write? X is a multiple of 3. In this form we write it multiple of 3. 3 into n, where n belongs to natural number, and if you see there are only 5 multiples, right? There are only 5 multiples. So what we'll write? N less than equals to 5. N less than equals to 5, as simple as that. X is equals to 3n, where n belongs to natural number and n value should be only less than equals to 5, because there were only 5 multiples of 3 there. If I talk about number 4, 2, 4, 6, not 6, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 60. So if we observe, what is this? It is 2 to the power 1, it is 2 to the power 2, it is 2 to the power 3, it is 2 to the power 4, it is 2 to the power 5, it is 2 to the power 6, right? This is how we can understand these values. So how we can write it? In the same format, the way we have written the number 3. X is to, x is equals to 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n. This is the series of 2 to the power n, right? Where n belongs to natural number and n is less than equals to 6. So this should be our answer here. As simple as that. Moving to sums number 5 now. In sums number 5, what they have told, 5, 25, 125 and 625 is written here. So once again, 5 means what? 5 to the power 1, 25 means 5 to the power 2, 125 means 5 to the power 3 and 625 means 5 to the power 4. So how we can write this in roster form? X is equals to 5 to the power n, where n belongs to natural number and n is less than equals to 4, and n is less than equals to 4. As simple as that, you can mention it in roster in builder form. Come into sums number 6. 1, 4, 9, 16, dot 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 till 100 it has been given. So clearly it is seen what it is. It is 1 square, this one is 2 square, this one is 3 square and so on till 10 square, right? So how we can express this in roster form? X is equals to n square, because this time square is permanent, natural number is changing, means the base number is changing. So it will be n square, where n belongs to natural number and n should be less than equals to 10, and n should be less than equals to 10. Moving to the last sums of this, no, there is more two sums. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. See, this value is going till infinity. Clearly it is seen that this value is going till infinity. So how to express this? X is equals to n square only, where n belongs to natural number. So since I have written only this, that n belongs to natural number and nothing else, it means that all natural numbers square will be in the set. All natural numbers square will be there in the set, because it was going till infinity, right? And moving to the last sums, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, comma this is very interesting. See, if you notice students, we start roster form in this way, right? X is equals to. Now if you see in the numerator, first of all the numbers are going in the consecutive form, 1 2 3 4 and so on. So in the numerator we are writing it n, where n belongs to natural number, no doubt, where n belongs to natural number. So first natural number will be 1, then 2, then 3 in the numerator and so on. But if we talk about denominator, denominator is actually one more than the numerator. Denominator is actually one more than the numerator. Denominator is actually one more than its numerator, right? So we will also write that in the same form here. Denominator is one more than n, and this will be our answer in the roster form. Since it is going till infinity, no limit, only n belongs to natural number, that's it. This part will not come here, right? So that's all from question number 4 here. Moving to question number 5 now. In question number 5 they have told you, which of the following are examples of null set. Examples of the null set. Which of the following are the examples of the null set? So the very first question is set of even prime number. This is very easy. Set of even prime number. So everyone know there is one even prime number, that is 2. So definitely this is not a null set. So definitely this is not a null set. What do we mean by null set? Null set means empty set. Null set means empty set which has no elements. Null set means empty set which has no elements. But there we got one element as 2. So this is not obviously a null set. If I talk about number 2, set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So let me know, any odd number is divisible by 2? No. Any odd number is divisible by 2? No. So that is why this will be a empty set. This will be a This will be a null set or empty set. This will be a empty or null set, because no odd natural numbers are divisible by 2, because no odd natural numbers are divisible by 2. So obviously the set here is null set. There is no such element. Moving to sums number 3. Set of all Indian kids 5 meters tall. Set of all Indian kids 5 meters tall. So try to understand the wording of this sentence. They have told it should be kid, and they have also told that it should be 5 meters. Does a kid can be 5 meter tall? A normal human is also not 5 meter tall. Normal adult person or old person is also not 5 meter tall actually, right? Usually. So they have told you that can kids be 5 meter tall? Obviously no. So obviously this is also null set. See, try to understand. 5 meter is equals to 500 centimeter, right? And the height, tall means it is related to height, and height of a person, there is no such definite value, but it is generally seen around 150 160 centimeter, 150 160 centimeter highest. If I take about the tallest height, if I take about the tallest height, or you can say 170, right? There's no such definite value, but the main thing is the height of a person can never be 500 centimeter. You don't have to write the explanation, but this is just for your knowledge that the height of a person is usually around 150 170 centimeter, but not more than that. It may be less than 150, but it is not more than 170 or hardly 180. Okay, moving to the next sums. 180 is also too much, no doubt. 180 is also too much. So 180 is also usually not seen. If I talk about the next sum, sums number 4, x belongs to natural number x less than 5 and x greater than 8. Try to understand. The value has to be less than 5 and also it has to be greater than 8. Is it possible? Not possible. Is it possible? Not possible. No value can be more than 8 but less than 5. Can be more than 8 but less than 5, right? So obviously it is a null set. Obviously it is a null set. Coming to next one. X is a point common to any two parallel straight lines. X is a point common to any two parallel straight lines. So try to understand. Two parallel lines can be like this, or can be like this, or can be like this. These are the two parallel lines. Can there be any common point between these two lines? No. Can there be any common point between these two lines? No. So obviously this is also a null set. This is also a null set. This is also a null set. Coming to the last question of this question, X is a student of your school presently studying in both classes 11 and 12. In both classes 11 and 12. Just understand this question. Can any student study in two classes simultaneously? Can any of the student in the school can study in the two classes in the same time? It is not possible. So that is why this is also a null set. So that is why this is also a null set. A student cannot study both class 11 and 12 at the same time in the same year, right? So this is also a null set. Moving to the question number 6 now. In question number 6 they have said which of the following sets are finite or infinite? We have to tell whether the set is finite or infinite. Coming to subpart 1, the set of days of a week. The set of days of a week. So if I talk about the set of days of a week, what it will be? It will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's all. Nothing more than that. So definitely such type of set is called finite set, which has some definite fixed values. Such type of set is known as finite set. If I talk about subpart 2, the set of numbers which are multiples of 7. So try to understand this one. Multiples of 7 means 7 stable. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, and so on. It will be going till infinity in the gap of 7 7. That is multiple of 7, right? It's don't think that multiple of 7 means only till 10. No, it is till infinity for any number, whether it is for multiple of 7 or multiple of 3 or multiple of 12, it goes for infinity. So the set here will be an infinite set. So the set here will be an infinite set. If I talk about number 3, the set of animals living on earth. The set of animals living on earth. So this is very conceptual based question, the set of animals living on earth. So try to understand. These number of animals are countable. These number of animals living on earth are countable. Are countable. This is the most important thing here for understanding whether it is finite or not. The whatever number of animals may be, whether it will be in lakhs or whatever be, they are countable, right? So that is why this type of questions are defined as finite set. Moving to sums number subpart 4. The sets of consonants, the sets of consonants in the English alphabet, the set of consonants in the English alphabet. So if I try to explain you, set of consonants in the English alphabet will be what? It will be starting from B, C, D, F, G, dot dot dot, and it will end with Y, Z, right? And nothing more than that. So obviously there is some definite values of this set. There are some fixed values of this set. So it will be considered as finite set. If I talk about number 5, the set of circles drawn in a plane. So this is very important question. The set of circles drawn in a plane. So in a single plane, we can draw infinite points, or we can draw infinite straight lines, or we can draw infinite circles. So that is why this type of question is considered as infinite set. I repeat the explanation. There can be infinite set of circles drawn in a plane. That is why there can be infinite circles. So this will be infinite set. Talking about number 6, the set of prime numbers. The set of prime numbers which are less than 1 crore. So what will be the answer of this? It will start from 2, 3, 5, and it will go on, right? 7, 11, and it will go on. And since they have told you the limit, and where there is a limit, that is considered as a finite set. That is considered as a finite set. Prime numbers still less than 1 crore. So there is a limit. So this is considered as finite set only. So this is considered as finite set only. Well, moving to sums number 7 now. If I talk about question number 7, they have told you to find the cardinal number, of the following sets. To find the cardinal number of the following sets. First question is this. Only this has been given to you. So we can clearly understand that there are 0 elements. There are 0 elements in this set. There are 0 elements in this set, right? So the cardinal number will be 0, right? So the cardinal number will be 0 for this set. Talking about subpart 2, here we have only 0 in this set. Though there is 0, but there is some element in this set. There is some element in this set. How many elements we can see? One element. So this will be our cardinal number. This will be our cardinal number here. This will be our cardinal number. 1 will be our cardinal number here. 1 will be our cardinal number here. If I talk about subpart 3, A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. This is very interesting question. What will be the cardinal number here? Try to understand. We can see how many different types of digits can be seen in this set. 1, 2 and 3. Because these are repeated digits. These are repeated digits. So there are only 3 kinds of different digits available in this set. So we'll consider the cardinal number in this set as 3 only and not 5. Why 3? I repeat, because 2 and 1 are repeated and we don't count it again. So cardinal number will be only 3. If I talk about 4, the set of all Indians, having 8 legs. So have you seen any person having 8 legs? Definitely not. So definitely this is what? This is a empty set. And in empty set, what we know? Cardinal number is 0. Cardinal number is 0 in empty set, right? Moving to subpart 5. The set of all letters in the word principal. The set of all letters in the word principal. In the word principal. If I explain you and write the set for this question, what will be the answer in the roster form? It will be P R I N C. I cannot be written again. P cannot be written again. A and L. So how many different elements we can see here? 7. So this will be only our cardinal number here. 7 elements. This will be only cardinal number here. Coming to the last subpart, number 6. The set of all vowels. The set of all vowels in the word principal. In the word principal. This is damn easy, man, after that previous question. The set of all the words, the set of all vowels in the word principal. So we know there are only 2 vowels in this word, I and A. I and A. So the cardinal number here will be only 2. So the cardinal number here will be only 2. So that's all from this video. We'll continue with another set of sums in the next class. Thank you so much.